Hi Neha, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, sir. How are you?
I'm also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Ms. Neha Jangid with us today. She has recently completed her multi-track training program here at I-MEDITA and got placed with Tata Communications as a network engineer. So today in this session, we are going to discuss her experience during the training program, what kind of approach she took for her training, how she prepared for her interviews, and what kind of preparation she did for interview. So, hi Neha, welcome again, and thank you once again for giving us your valuable time. So, how it feels like getting job with Tata Communications?
It feels great, sir, because it's my first job as a technical world, so that's why it's great.
Great. So, can you tell us when you have joined here at I-MEDITA, you started with CCNA, then CCNP, you are a part of multi-trust training programs. So, how much time you spent here in the labs, classes, क्या अप्रोच आपने फॉलो करी, कैसा आपका स्टडी और ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस रहा आई मेडिटा में ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम?
Yeah, in year 2024, I started my CCNA batch in February. After I completed my CCNA and CCNP, and network security also I completed, and other courses are pending. And now I started my Palo Alto batch.
Okay, so you
Yes.
have already
Yeah.
joined and now you are also continuing your Palo Alto classes, right? So
Yes,
how
sir.
was your
Because
over?
I enrolled
Mm-hmm.
multi-track with cybersecurity course, so that's why my CH and Linux batch is pending right now.
Okay, how was your overall
Yes.
experience with the modules you have already completed, CCNA, CCNP during this training? How was your experience from which all trainers you completed your classes?
From CCNA from Sudhanshu sir, and routing and switching from Vikas sir and Surinder sir, and Palo Alto batch I started from Baldev sir. So
Okay,
all trainers are very good and everything is great. My experience is very good from I-MEDITA.
okay. You have also
Yeah.
attended PD classes, interview preparation classes as well.
Yes, sir.
So how much those classes helped you in terms of interview preparation?
It's helped me a lot because like interview preparation classes is like sir always said ki you follows the notes provided by I-MEDITA, so I all things I follow, and I got placed.
Okay, great. On a general basis, how much time you were spending here in the classes and labs?
2-3 hours for live classes and 4 to 5 hours for self study,
Self-study
like
and lab
almost six
purposes.
to 7 hours.
Okay, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So what are the two, three things which you liked here at iMedita?
Here, like the 24/7 like lab services, and all trainers, like I joined physically best, so all trainers are available here whenever we have any doubts. So we directly go with them and clear our doubts. So it's helped me a lot.
Great. So this is the first time you are doing some courses with iMedita, right? You started with
Yes, sir.
CCNA, CCNP, now your further courses are also pending. I would like to
Yes.
understand from your end how you got to know about iMedita.
Because my friend he did his AWS certification from here, so he suggests me like this institute is best for networking and cybersecurity domain. So I came here from Nagpur, and I joined these classes.
Okay, so your friend recommended, but I'm sure when your friend suggested something, he recommended something, there must be expectations from your end also. So before starting the course,
Yes.
I am 100% sure Neha must be having certain expectation now when you have completed your 60-70% of the course. I would like to understand, were we able to met those expectations which you were having prior beginning your course?
Yes, sir. I'm fully satisfied, and everything is great here.
Okay. So in terms of interview preparation, how many interviews you have given? What approach and preparation you did for your interviews as well?
Sir, like I did join like interview preparation classes, so it's helped me a lot. And I give 4 to 5 interviews, and I also clear for 2-3 companies like
Okay,
Wipro, but there is the like night shift, so I can't join this, and I've joined this. I like Tata Communication.
okay, great.
Yes.
In terms of your experience here at iMedita, did you got all the
Yeah.
required notes, material, workbooks, lab access, and everything from our side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you mentioned that you did CCNA classes from Mr. Sudhanshu, CCNP classes from Mr. Surendra and Mr. Vikas, and your network security Palo Alto classes from Mr. Baldev. How was your experience with these instructors as an individual?
Experience is very good, and I personally like Sudhanshu Bhatt sir. His explanation is everything is good, and I'm fully satisfied with all instructor.
Okay. So if you have
Yeah,
this opportunity today, if you would like to rate our training and services on a scale of 10, how much marks and rating would you give to us?
sir. If I have chance to give more than 10, so I always give yes
Okay,
out of.
okay.
Yeah.
No, thank you. Thank you for your words. Also, would you recommend our training courses to your other friends as well?
Yes, I already in like two three friends.
Okay,
They join online classes from here.
okay, fine. And do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
Everything is good, sir. No,
Okay.
add to something. Add.
Okay. Cheers. Thank you, Neha. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Keep learning, keep upgrading yourself, give your best contribution to your teams as well. Okay. And once again, thank you for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.